In this video, I will share with you step by step how to find Belfius IBAN bank. So all you have to do, go to this official website, log in your account in Belfius. After logging in your account with your own information, friends, such your ID and password here, your card number to log in, you will see, go to this bank IBAN convert, this section of website. To get your IBAN account number, you can convert your account number to IBAN. So all you have to do, write here your account number, as you can see here. When write your account number, friends, click on convert, as you can see here. This from here, write your account number and then click convert to get your IBAN. So friends, this is how you can do. Just write your account number. After write your account number, click on convert. Here you will get account to IBAN. It is easy steps. Just log in your accounts from here, and then from this section you can get your IBAN. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.